doing? Are you making a mess?
No, Timmy, I'm not making a mess. It's Daddy's birthday cake.
Wow! A surprise cake! Can I help you, Mum?
Take your apron. Okay, Chief Baker Timmy. First, we need the ingredients. Can you see the flour?
Is it that big white mountain over there?
Yes, that's the flour. Good job. Put the flour into this big bowl.
Look at it go!
You have flour on your nose, Timmy.
Haha! Now I look funny!
Now, we need some sugar to make it sweet.
It smells like sweet rain! Here is the sugar, Mum. What do we need to grab next?
Be careful with the eggs.
1, 2, 3. Look, Mom, no splat today.
Let us add some water.
Wow!
Mix it slowly with the spoon. What flavor do we add now?
Chocolate! I love it!
Mix it up.
Wow, look! It is turning brown now.
Now it goes into the oven.
I want to eat the cake now, please, Mom.
No, Timmy. We must wait.
Oh, no! Waiting is too long. Look at the cake, Mom! It is getting big!
Yes, Timmy. It will be soft and yummy. Help me clean and you can lick the spoon.
Yay! I love cleaning!
I hear Daddy's car. Hi, Timmy.
He cannot see me here. Surprise! Happy birthday, Daddy!
He was a good helper.
Baking is fun. I love you, Daddy.
I love you too, my little chef.
If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and hit that like button.